So guys, guess what? Today PJHL Films have something, and I want you to see it. What's going on, everybody? My name is the Pre-Aka the Nervous Gamer, and today we're going to be looking at PJHL Films Five Nights at Freddy's video, and we're going to back to Five Nights at Freddy's 2. Let's get started. I like the music and the background. And I have some chips. I know you can't see them. Let's turn the flashlight on. It's called I can read it. It's a chip and it has the little lady, but some chips have better sense, but I just really want to eat it. But he has his flashlight, but that's what cupcakes are. They have to get eaten. How did this sock get in here? Get out of here. So, sorry guys, there was a sock under my pillow. So I turned off the lights. So I'm gonna open my chips right now. Let me put the camera down for a second, guys. I'm sorry. It tastes good. Super good. I like them. They taste good. They taste a little sweet. They taste a little sweet. So I gotta skip because I'm out of strings. Alright, here we go. I can't wait. Oh no, it's just started. I'm just only watching the video. We don't know where Freddy is. Whoa, Freddy. No.
Do my strategy. Just like I always did.
You just have to make sure Freddy's not here.
Alright?
If Freddy gets here, then that means we're finna get caught. You don't want to try to get caught from our friends.
Keep my mask down for like 1.5 seconds. Instead, just 1 second. Oh, Gold Freddy, how's it going today?
How's it going?
You know, Foxy, I'm trying to flash you. Alright.
How's it going, Freddy?
Yeah, that's weird. They usually
Freddy is,
Oh, do I hear Balloon Boy?
right below.
I think I hear Balloon Boy. Oh, Bonnie and Foxy's there. I guess they're best buds.
We don't see Foxy. Foxy is older. Oh, whoa.
Okay.
No.
Oh, there's Freddy
No.
Fazbear. How are you doing, Fredo? You doing good, Fredo Fazbear? Oh, hello,
No,
Freddy.
no.
How's it
Hello.
going today? You doing good?
Hello, Foxy.
You doing good?
Foxy.
Yeah? Okay.
Oh, bye.
Doing good, guys. We are rolling.
Roll.
We are doing rolling.
Roll, bro.
How's it going, Mangle?
How's it going, Mangle? Who's Mangle?
Good.
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa.
Doing good, Chica?
Hello. Where's all my bag of chips?
I wonder how long have you been a bad girl? Maybe like
I don't know.
1 month? Because she never went to the dentist
It's gonna peek out.
for some reason. Because she'll never go to the dentist.
No, it's not gonna peek out.
Okay.
It'll peek out later.
Oh, shit.
We don't like when we get caught from Freddy.
Alright. Oh, hello, Bonnie.
1 hour.
Nope, I don't trust
1
that.
hour then 2.
Okay.
Okay, 1 hour then 2 in a minute. 1 hour then 2 in a minute. 1 hour then 2 in a minute.
How long didn't you even get
Can we end this video? No, we can't. It's not too long though, but it's a horror game.
Hello, Chica.
I don't know where Chica is. That's Chica. I saw her. I saw her through these cameras.
Okay.
Okay, you have to find Freddy.
Okay.
Oh boy.
She's gone.
Oh boy. We don't know where Freddy is. Oh, sorry, I turned my flashlight.
Woo.
We don't know where Freddy is.
Okay.
Okay.
He is gone.
Oh my.
Fredo Fazbear. Not a security
Anyways,
guard.
guys, that was Five Nights at Freddy's. And I'll see you next time because I'm running out of